Hi folks, somebody is asking me why when you want to do something you have to always talk about it. Here is the answer. You don't have to talk about it telling people, but you need to remind yourself what you want to do. For you to achieve, you need to train your mind. Once you have trained your mind, you are actually reminding yourself what you want to achieve in life. There is a protocol which you need to set in your mind when you always think, when you always thinking on inventing things, thinking of achievement. It is so much crucial for you to always stay in line with what you want to do. Because the moment you talk about it, you are actually impacting your mind to be so empowered towards that goal that you want to reach. Because there's one thing I've realized, that you can always start something even when you don't have money. How do you start it? You start it in your mind. Make sure that it starts performing, it starts running in your mind, in an imaginary world, because each and everything that we do, it starts in imagination. So from your imaginary world, imagine for those guys like Nikola Tesla. Go and check Nikola Tesla. That guy was so intelligent. He was born intelligent. What happened to him is that everything that he thought, he had it in mind, irrespective of the cash or the capital or studying it, but he had it always in mind. So it is very important to train your mind. It is very important to always keep in mind what you want to do, because it's not the money that will lead you to do the thing, but it is the moral that you have that pushes you in order to achieve the goals that you have in mind. So in other words, for everything that you want to do, it's not about money in particular, but it's about the invention in mind. Train your mind to be strong enough to stand the test of negativities, because we shall meet people that will negate what we want to do and will feed us negativity, wrong information, and discourage us. But at the end of the day, I want to tell you this: you are unique, you are different. Some other people, they may think that you are maybe crazy. You are not crazy. You know what you want. At the end of the day, we are all not 100%. What does that mean? It means each and everybody is mad, crazy mentally. But now this craziness, now it differs, because my craziness, it tells me that I can invent an aeroplane. My craziness is telling me that I can invent something new that nobody has ever invented it. That is how the power of my imagination is teaching me. That is why you need to teach yourself how to think differently. When a lot of people go that way, choose to take another route in order to experience. What are you going to experience if you follow everybody? Everybody is taking that direction because they know what they're going to come across, because they had somebody told them about that thing that they are heading towards. But you want to experience, you want to come up with something new. Train your mind to be yourself. Train yourself to be unique. Whatsoever that you want to do, man, you can bring it to existence. The problem is that we listen to a lot of negativity, a lot of discouragements, and then we have wrong friends. Let me tell you, the best friend you can ever have is yourself. The moment you take your moment of silence alone, thinking, cracking the codes, I'm telling you, you can decipher, you can even tell the things by the codes, because you are by yourself. You listen to the words, you listen to the creation, you listen to the nature. Because God, when He created a human being, He created a human being to be a massive code cracker, to be a creature which is above everything. In other words, whatsoever that you can be able to reach by thinking, you can be able to bring it to existence. Why am I saying this? Is that whatsoever that you want to do, train your mind that you can do it. Never be a victim of negativity. Never be a victim of discouragements. People will discourage you. Remember, we're living in the universe where a lot of people are not smart like you are. You are so smart. You can invent it. You can do it, folks. Train your mind. You can do it.